Today I will show you how to plant tomato, pepper, and cucumber seedlings in order to have big, sweet, and healthy harvests. First, I will make a natural fertilizer for watering these plants. Add 10 grams of dry yeast and 1 spoon of sugar to 1 liter of lukewarm water. Yeast provides vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that activate beneficial soil microbes. Sugar feeds these microbes so they release natural nitrogen, giving seedlings steady energy for root growth and early flowering. Mix well and let it rest for 2 hours. Soak tomato, pepper, and cucumber seedlings in this solution for 2 hours. This gentle soak strengthens root tissues and helps plants adapt quickly after planting. Next, prepare ground eggshell powder. Wash, dry, and crush the shells finely. Eggshells supply calcium that supports strong root development and balanced plant structure, while trace minerals help maintain healthy soil activity. Add 1 tablespoon of eggshell powder into each planting spot, mix lightly, and place the seedling. Plant tomatoes at 40 to 60 centimeters spacing and 15 to 20 centimeters depth. Plant peppers at 30 to 40 centimeters spacing and cucumbers at 30 centimeters spacing in loose, well-drained soil. Dilute 100 milliliters of the yeast mixture in 1 liter of water and water around the roots. This feeding improves nutrient movement and supports flowering and fruit formation. Repeat every 2 weeks. Simple care, natural nourishment, and steady growth. That's how strong harvests begin.